guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we're going to talk about Grove. I have mentioned it before that I have been trying to switch over to more natural products, cleaning products, household products, beauty products, things like that. And Grove is a company that I use for a lot of those products. So I thought I would share my favorites and fails. So without further ado, let's jump in. Foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so I have opened up the box. One of the things that I will say, and they always write something personal on there. So in this case, they wrote "Stay safe, Darlene," with a little smiley face, and they always do that. They'll always write something on the box, which I think is just a really nice touch. They also package everything very well. So I've put everything out because I want to kind of do it by category, and I will let you know some things I've just ordered that I have never tried, and I will let you know that, and some things I've reordered and some things I've already have. So we're gonna go through it all. Let's start with probably one of my favorite things, which is the glass bottles, because I really like the concept of switching to glass hand soap bottles. So this was the first one I bought. This was from the Blossom collection. This has the pink silicone around it, and then I went and purchased the white for our bathrooms. So in this, they come like this. They come in a little box, and what I did was purchase another white one. So I have two in my master bathroom. I have this pink one out here in the kitchen, and then this one's going to go into the laundry room. For those of you that didn't see, I redid my counters that were like I don't know what that, they were really ugly. I redid my counters with contact paper, and it's a beautiful white and gray marble, so I thought this would look really pretty, and we need hand soap in. We use hand soap in there all the time, so I got that. And then I just got a refill pouch. Now this one will hold two refills, and this is lavender and thyme. They have unscented, and they will have different scents that you could choose from. I like unscented, that's fine, but I do like the smell of things. That, you know, when something smells really good, it just makes me happy. So I like the lavender, and the great thing about these pouches is it helps, even though it is a plastic type material, it is 40% less plastic than those bottles. So it's at least 40%. I'll put it right here because I can't remember. Okay, so then I have dish soap, and the dish soap that I've been using is Meyer's, and this one is in mint, and I love the smell of this, and I love that it's not huge, so it sits on this really pretty tray that I got from there as well. This was from the Blossom collection. This sold out really fast. I was lucky enough to get one for my mom, and I have sent Grove packages to both my daughters because they love this setup, but they do have this tray just in a plain nice white, and the Blossom collection you know, comes and goes. Some things come back in stock, so you can have that. So my hand soap sits there, and then my dish soap sits there, and I have shown this to you before in pictures, but for those of you that didn't see, and then my little sponge holder. This came from Amazon, so it has a little place for you to just stick your sponge, so it all fits. I don't want to drop any of this, and watch me do it. So it all fits nice and tidy on my sink. The sponge is in the sink, so I love that. So I did get in the unboxing, I did get a new flavor, a new scent. This one is honeysuckle. I love the mint, but I want to try new scents. So this one is honeysuckle. I haven't tried it yet, but I will let you guys know what I think about that one. I also did pick up another glass jar. This is a spray bottle, so it's a glass spray bottle. I have wood floors in the majority of my house, and this is the wood floor cleaner. So it's a concentrate. This is rosemary and orange, I think. Yeah, orange and rosemary. You pour it in here, you fill the rest with water, and you do your floors. How phenomenal is that? I don't know how it works yet. I will let you know. But I love that this, you know, it's a lot less plastic that has to go in. So I'm loving that if it works. And so I will let you know. Dishwasher pods. I tried them and I didn't like them. They didn't work. They just didn't have enough cleaning power. So I'm sticking with Cascade for now. Maybe they'll come up with something that will actually clean my dishes, because they didn't. Now let's talk about laundry soap. Okay, so their pods work really well. So I really love the ginger mango. That smell is so good. I got it in the fabric softener, and these are by Method. So you can pick up Method, I think, at Target. But I just love that I can pick and choose what I need. And so this is really great. I love the ginger and the orange smell to that. I also have tried the regular citrus and wood laundry detergent from Grove, and they're good as well. Both of those are excellent. And I also tried the the Method with the beach sage. That's not my favorite smell at all. Like, I only use this when I run out of the other in between. I just don't like the scent. There's nothing wrong with it. It does what it's supposed to do, which is soften your clothes and get rid of static cling and all that, but it just doesn't smell as good. So that's laundry. Now for glass cleaner, I use Aunt Fanny's, and this is glass and window cleaner with a vinegar wash. So it will have a smell of vinegar. So if you don't like vinegar, you probably wouldn't like these, but they're excellent and they don't streak. So that's great. So in the box that I just got, I picked up a new one because this one is a little more than halfway empty. And so I just picked up an extra one. Now let's talk about wood cleaner. What I've been using is the 7th generation wood cleaner. The wood that I don't have, I have a few pieces of wood furniture. So I've been using this and I really, really like this. It has essential oils and botanicals, and it smells divine when you use it. Like, you want to clean, you know, when things smell good, you really want it to clean. About bathroom, I use Method. This is the they're both by the same, so they're both spearmint. This is toilet cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner. 99% cleans the germs. This one you put under your toilet bowl, and then this one you can clean your counters, you can, you know, clean the toilet, like the above the toilet and all that. So these work great. And speaking of counters now, I'm a little particular. No, I'm a lot particular. I have black countertops, as you can see. So if you're not using the right counter spray, they will streak. It'll just show streaking. So I do have a favorite. It is it's not from Grove. Hopes Perfect Granite, 100% streak-free granite and marble, and it comes in a 6-pack off of Amazon. It's a good price, but you know, again, I've been trying to move towards more natural products, so I did order a countertop spray from Caldria. It's an aromatherapeutic homekeeping pear blossom agave. Smells divine, no doubt about it. Unfortunately, it does leave streaks, so I use this in my bathroom because I have marble in my bathroom, so you can't, like, it doesn't streak on the marble, so it works good. I have an antibacterial spray. It's from 7th generation. I don't know if this is in stock. Antibacterial spray has been out of stock for so long. I just know that this is a really good one because it has a nice fine mist. See that? So I spray my countertops at night, let it sit, and then wipe them down in the morning. Now I got some new stuff that I have never tried, and I'm gonna let you know in a different video, like what's new this week, how it worked out. So I picked up a 3-pack of tin foil, wax paper, or aluminum foil, parchment paper, and wax paper. So I'm gonna try these out. They're 100% recyclable, oh my God, 100% recyclable. And so I wanted to give them a try, because if we can move away from, you know, just doing better, then hey, what the heck. So I'm gonna try those out. I don't know how they're gonna work. The other thing I got is some Epsom salts. I know, random stuff, right? This is with a lavender essential oil from the Natural Collection. So I wanna try this out, and it's a sleep formula. So I will let you know that. And then the last thing that I picked up was from Rooted. If you saw my video, I talked about their lip kit, which is basically their lip mask and their lip scrub. Phenomenal, and the price point is like $8, $9 compared to Tatcha, which I love, but you're talking about $20 or $25, something like that. And even the MAC lip scrub is up there as well, so a lot less expensive and works just as well. So I picked up an eye product. This is the Purifying Depuffing Eye Gel. Don't know how it's going to work. I will let you know. It's a white cream. So you can see there, nice and thick. So I'm gonna try it at night. I'm gonna try it during the day. I'm gonna try it with makeup. I'm gonna try it without makeup, and then I will let you know how, you know, whether it works or not and how I feel about it. So I'm excited to try that. The other thing that I got as a seriously random item is a dustpan. I needed one. I was putting an order in anyways, and so I'm like, what the heck? No, so, all right, so that's my haul. That's what I picked up that's new. Those are some of my favorites. And really, I've only had a couple fails. So, and the other thing is, depending on how much you order, they always throw in something, you know, like for you to try. So maybe it'll be this, or maybe it'll be a hand soap or whatever, but they're always a full-size product of something. And that's kind of nice because then you can really try. Like, I think they sent me these ones and I was like, oh my gosh, they smell so good. So then I went and got the fabric softener. So that's always nice. It's super simple. And if you order $50 or more, it's free shipping. I'm pretty sure. But you know, check it out. And no, I'm not affiliated, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I just love Grove and I order all the time. Like I said, I send packages to everyone. So because I do, here's a surprise at the end of this video. I am gonna send some of my favorite products to you from Grove, directly from Grove to you. So yes, it's another giveaway, yay! So what I'll do is I will pick a winner. Again, same thing, click the link in the bio. It's very simple to follow. And in fact, I have new rules. You do need to be subscribed to my channel, but I know some of you do not have an Instagram, and I don't find it to be fair. If you don't have an Instagram, go create an Instagram so you can follow me. No, if you're on Instagram, follow me. If you're not, comment in the description box. How's that? And then what I'll do is once the winner is picked, and I don't pick the winner, I have a company that picks the winner, we verify that you've met, you know, the requirements, and you must be 18 years or older. Once they've done that, I'll go ahead and contact you and ask you, you know, some of your favorite like fragrances. Do you prefer not fragrance or fragrance? So that I can send you some of the things that I really like, but that, you know, you will like as well. I mean, if I'm sending you orange and you hate orange, well, that wouldn't be good, right? So I'll pick a few of my favorites and send them to you. So yes, there you go. So just be sure to open the description box and click the link to enter. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.